specific colleges which come up with their own facilities. When students were questioned about these, they said that there will be so many driving factors for students to make them actually join these student bodies. These can be in way of certificates, placements, and peer pressure, etc. But however, from the responses we got from the students, it is quite heartening to note that many students were of the opinion that the reason for them joining such for such clubs is mostly because of interest, and the need for such student bodies has been obtained in a very positive manner, and it is quite heartening for us. Also, continuing on in this vein, we question students about external sources of learning which actually help them in the course of their education. This could be learning on online platforms, as the platform of learning world over is turning uh, online in internet resources. So students are quite comfortable with taking up such courses, but then if such courses are recommended by their professors, they would be in a better position to take up such courses. And also, if them taking up that course is reflected in their academic performance by way of marking in their academic records, it would go a long way in catalyzing their interest to take up such courses further. A similar trend was observed when they were questioned about similar courses taken up in other platforms, and they were unwilling to take up such courses if it wasn't graded by the faculty. And going ahead, we were also important to question students about the importance of pure science courses in engineering. These could be basic sciences like physics, chemistry, and biology, which engineering students do not are not interested in that much. When students were questioned about this, they said that pure science courses have to be included in engineering. However, the nature of offering of such courses, whether they have to be offered in the first year or in the second year, and how such courses have to be offered, like in the form of summer courses or certification programs, or should some internship programs be devised in order to offer such courses. Nothing substantial was recorded on this issue. But then in all 4 years, or at least in the first year, nothing substantial was recorded in this issue as well. And all these criteria we thought were important converged on the necessity of an undergraduate degree which gives equal importance to both aspects of science and engineering. So there is a strong likelihood from the part of the students for such a combined course with prime focus on research and skill development of the students. Thus, they would be better equipped to be problem solvers in the near future, where they will be faced with the problems of the actual world. And also, there is growing demand among the student community to address these requirements and make the students better equipped to solve the nation's problems in a better and qualified manner. And concluding, we would say that all these points that were recorded in our survey is very important to shape the scientific temperament among students, and to go ahead with the education system in a more holistic manner to shape the temperament of students. And there are so many branches that go into education today, and a holistic amalgamation of all these branches is very necessary to tackle the challenges of the future. And all the engineers of today have to be empowered with the basic understanding of scientific concepts which they go about and apply practically in their engineering field in their domain. And a combined degree will also go a long way in preparing them to be better citizens. So this was our work. Thank you.
We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes in case there are any questions.
All right. Yes. Thank you.
So there seem to be no questions, sir. In case there are any questions, I will forward my mail, sir.
All right. Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes.